Hey guys, Coach here. Welcome to this week's video. Hey, I wanted to do a little follow-up on a fall project that we had just completed. And I'm sitting on it right here. Maestro's sitting on it behind the camera. And what it basically is a completion of the deck project and the garden boxes project for next year. The garden boxes are for next year. So, take a look. No, I am not a Raiders fan any longer, so just because there's gray and black here, or silver and black, it's the color that we chose that kind of complemented the colors of the house. We have dark grays, we have black gutters and black trims and black and charcoal accents all over the house. So that's what we chose. Like it, love it, it is what it is, and this is not paint, it is solid stain from Cabot. So I'd like to reach out and extend a big thank you to the Lowe's Corporation for partnering us and allowing us to do this over the past few days. Now, it didn't go without drama in it. And if you've ever purchased paint products of any kind, including stain, you know that those little beautiful colored glossy pamphlets that they give you that have all the color swatches in it, yeah, you look at one, you go, now that's the color that I want. And you get that and get home and you use it, and it is nothing like what's in that color swatch at all. And that's what happened to us. Kind of our fault, but not really. So we went back and got another gallon of this gray in a solid tone, not a semi-transparent, and I think it turned out pretty darn good. So give me your opinion. What do you think? Now let's take a look at the garden boxes that we did that's right next to the deck and the area that we have prepped up that used to be just a rocky slope. So the garden boxes are basically a product of reduce, reuse, and recycle. The body, the sides of these boxes were left over from the small bridge that I had originally built down below the pond when we first moved here. They're 2x8s, so our boxes, even though they sit on a slope, are about 15 inches deep. They are 16 square feet, 4x4, and then they're top dressed with a 5/4 board that was left over from the deck project. So it didn't really cost us any extra except for the stain that we put on here. Black bodied, gray trimmed on the top, and I think it looked really good. Now obviously where we're at up in zone 4, we're not planting this until next year. The loam that we had delivered and I filled this up has been freshened with soil conditioners and fertilizers, etc. So when it does thaw and May comes around next year, these things are gonna go light off like a Roman candle as far as growability, and I look forward to having you with me when we do our spring planting. But hey, we're only 2 of us, so we have 3 16 square foot boxes, and behind we have some retained soil, and that is where we have put some of the container material for the winter. We've sunk it down in the ground. The bright reds are blueberries, and then we have some autumn joy sedum that are in containers. Now that sedum will probably go in the ground next year, and the blueberries maybe, although we may keep them right in the containers that they're in. They have a good another 2 years worth of growing capability in those 5-gallon pots. Anyway, that's what I have for you today. What do you think about the color choice? What do you think about the fall project and how it turned out? I'd love to hear your comments down below, both good and bad, and I will see you guys on the next video. As always, to your guys' landscape success, I'll see you next time.